What's up, beautiful babes? Welcome into Sugar Fingers. It's been a minute and we are going to do some nails today. Absolutely we are. And I'm glad you could join me because it's going to be fun. It's going to be quick too because guess what I have? Your girl is back to her Kiss Masterpiece nails. This is what I'm going to be wearing on these ugly nails because you know with this housework around here and painting and all of that, they just done got crazy. So I'll be rocking these for showtime this weekend, the Kiss Masterpiece. So if y'all ready, come on down, let's get these popped on. I'm going to show you how I put them on to stay for a minute because you really got to make it right to keep them right, okay? So let's come on down to my desk and let's pop these on. This is what we're looking like. So the first thing I like to do is take a little alcohol like so. Grab me some cotton rounds and make sure I got everything off the nails, like oils and so forth. So I'm just going to spray them down. Spray my cotton round a little bit too. Then I'm just going to wipe them off a little bit. I'll do this and then I'll also buff them just a little bit. You don't have to buff them hard, just lightly. Just using get all the any other glue that may be on there as well. You know, just give it a little bit of a rough surface. Help them last. Okay, now flip this over here. Spritz a little bit more alcohol on the pad. Clean up, everybody clean up. Now let's go ahead and choose the ones that we're going to use. Let's choose what we're going to use. This glue, this glue, I don't use that one. I don't use that one. That's how I'm going to show you how to keep them on a long time. Because if you don't, honey, oh, these are so pretty. Look at there, look at there. They're so pretty. Let's get in here and get these other ones out. Nice. Now it does come with, of course, the glue. It comes with, of course, a file and also a wood stick. But I don't use these that often. I keep them around, but I don't use them that often. So let me go ahead and choose the ones I'm going to use here. Looking for my pinkies. Oh, they're so cute. I don't know why I'm trying to do this without my eyeglasses on. Your girl knows she need her eyeglasses. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this kind here. That's cute. Or I think they had just a metallic like in here. But that's too big, I think, for my pinky. My pinkies are tiny. And of course, if you're wearing press-ons, I always take mine with me, especially if I'm going out of town. I take them with me because I don't ever know when one might pop off. So I'll go ahead and take that and my glue. So it looks like the smallest size for the pinkies is gonna be this kind of a Frenchy like tip. That's all I have to put on there. So we're gonna set those aside. And the other one is here. And then we have these beautiful crystal ones. Yeah, I got all kind of bling on it. That should fit on that one just fine. Let's get her mate. I don't know, is that big, too big, or just right? Maybe it's that one. She's kind of big. She's kind of big. Nope, wrong finger. Yeah, that's perfect. And the middle finger, I think I really want this kind on the middle finger. This, what do you call it? Holographic looking? Yeah, that's pretty. see. And let's get the match to that one, which was probably this one. Yes. And then index finger. Okay, that looks good. And this one. Okay. And the thumb, I guess I'll get it to match my pinky finger. So these have numbers on the back. It's a 4. The 4 looks okay. That's a 3. Maybe I'll do the 3. It goes from end to end. Okay. So we have them all chosen now. So we'll just put these other ones back in the container here. And again, I'll pack these in my suitcase to take with me in case I have a loss. And we'll do it that way. How about that? Well, we can go ahead and put the little stick and everything back in here too. Perfect. Alright, now for the glue. Now this is the glue that I use, the McCartnell glue. This one has the brush, and I love that. Makes it so easy. I have one of them already out. So I want to go ahead and push back my cuticles as well. So let me go ahead and do that, so it can look really professional. I don't snip my nails all the way down, so right now they're just fine the way they are, because it gives me a little bit more leverage when I put the glue on the tip. It really holds them on good for me, so it has more to balance out the nail, so I don't cut mine all the way down. And it gives it more stabilization, because you know I be using my fingers on that saxophone, so I don't need mine just teeter-tottering on the nail bed. Okay. I would knock my nails all out of place, wouldn't I? Shouldn't be too hard to get them back in order. Yeah, that's cool. Alright. So, we're going to need a little bit of file. Just a little one, because these have little pieces on the end that you have to file off. So, I will use that. I'll start with pinkies first and move into the thumb. Watch me work. Now, I know some people say they don't hold theirs for about 5 seconds. Girl, I'll be holding this thing on here for as long as I can. Because I want it on there good. I'm going to leave it on here for a minute, because I am going to change the battery out, because it's flashing like life support needed ASAP. So I'm going to do that before I get to the next one. So that looks like she's good and on there. Perfection. Alright, we're good and full and back in business. That one is set really good. So let's get to this right hand. I have a hard time picking these up. What about y'all? Do you have a hard time? Because I do. What's the problem? I'll mash that on there really good. Perfect. Now we get to use one of these bling ones. See, I like the paint on one because I can get all the way to the end, and then I'll put a nicer clump in the center and let it roll a little bit. So, because some of these are more curvaceous than my nail is. Scoop it in there like so and hold it. This is so easy to do. I mean, these only cost, I can't remember, I'll put it on the screen, but probably less than $12, I would think. This is the Majestic kind, so it's pretty. They're pretty, I mean the Masterpiece, so they're pretty elite. Okay, they're the luxury nails, but who would go spend hundreds of dollars to get this done? You know, you just want them for looking pretty for a minute now. You don't need them forever. $200 or more for nails. I cannot. Beauty is beauty, but dang, I ain't trying to do no permanent surgery with these things. Girl, you can't do it. I can't see that happening. No way. So, got this almost done. Heck, 4 down. Okay. Now this middle finger will be this holographic looking one here. This would be easier if I was letting my nail lay flat, but since I'm trying to use this little tabletop here so you can really see me, I'm making it a little bit harder on myself. Okay, that's all good. Cause y'all are worth it. You are worth it. Pretty. Another bling one. Have to mash it on there really good because these are pretty stiff, the ones with the bling on them. And I have to make sure it gets in the curves of my nail. Yes, gotta get it right, honey. I just skipped all over my right hand, didn't I? I know, because I saw that bling and I was like ready to go for it. I'm ready to use that one. Making a mess, don't make a mess. Yeah, I was ready to go for that one. Let's go ahead to the middle finger. At least I can pick up things now, okay? Looks good to me. Alright, now the index finger. That fits snug. Okay, last but certainly not least is the thumb. You gotta have thumbs. Yes. Oh, sorry, did I hit you in the nose? I'm so sorry. Apologize. I was trying to really make sure I had this one mashed down good since you can see through it a little bit. Looks like a professional manicure. Can't tell me nothing, baby. No. The last one. Now these will more than likely last me probably over a week, depending on what I do. You know, if I'm washing dishes and doing some extraneous housework, then that's different. But on a regular, just normal things, these will last me for a minute. And child, we buy some more and go for it. Feel what I'm saying? Okay, so now all I got to do is just file off these little rough edges right here from where they were manufactured, and that's the end of the story. So it doesn't get any easier than this ever. Voila! And now it's time for our favorite cuticle oil, Cuccio. Yes, I think this is my last one. I need to restock on it before y'all buy it all out, because I know y'all, all the good stuff, I can't keep it. I cannot keep it in stock. Oh my goodness. Anywho, that is it. Professional nails done right at home. Yeah, see what I'm saying? Beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Put some jewelry on and make them look even cuter. Well, I got something on this hand, but not on that hand. So, ta-da! There we go. Thanks for watching, beautiful babes. Take care of yourselves. And remember to keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. See ya!